Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening ConnectBot and adding a host. Enter the host name or IP and port, then your username. Once done, choose Authentication. Import a private key or opt for password login and save that host. Make sure network access is allowed in settings, and if you use keys, set a strong passphrase. By starting here, you avoid repetitive setup later and you can jump straight into connecting, verifying the host fingerprint the first time you connect. Once connected, authenticate with your chosen method and enable agent forwarding if you need chained logins. This lets you reuse loaded keys. Next, tweak terminal preferences, adjust font size, enable UTF-8, and set a keep alive interval to prevent idle disconnects. If you need tunnels, configure port forwarding. Choose local or remote, define local, remote ports, and save the rule. Doing these middle steps ensures stable sessions and reproduces your environment each time you connect. To finish, close sessions cleanly by exiting shells or using the app disconnect so keys and agent state clear. Then export or backup your host list and private keys to encrypted storage. This saves time when reinstalling. If something fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Verify the server fingerprint and permissions, correct file mode like 600 for private keys, and confirm port and firewall rules. If a hotkey changed, remove the old entry and revalidate before reconnecting to avoid man in the middle risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.